raining too much. Oh, my head. You okay, Jessie? Yeah, I'm okay. What the heck? Whoa! I'm too growing giant. Oh no! Oh no! My pants! My shirts! Sorry, my bad. It's okay, Buzz. It's the only way how to get rid of those big body. When you have too small, how to get rid of them. Good idea. We didn't really do so about nasty. Go ahead. I could put out this line. Oh no. Gotta run away. Got to run away. Got to. Holy crap. No, kid. Don't look at me naked. Way up, lady. You forgot your cap. Wait, lady. You forgot your dress. Take it. It's yours. No. Not now. I'm back. No! Somebody help! No! Oh. Angie! Oh, thank goodness. You're safe now. No, you're going to jail, Sid Phillips. No, you can't do it to me. Help! So on, suckers. Good to have you back, Jessie. Yes, good I'm back. I got brand new clothes. I can never big by growing ever again. Me too, sister. Share we all.